Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you will fine and I welcome you to the science class for class 6th, and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 7, getting to know plants. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so you see plants everywhere, okay, and you know that the plant and human are interdependent on each other, okay, like human are dependent on plants and plants are dependent on human, okay. Yes, so we are surrounded by plants, okay. We see many type of plants at our home or at our school, okay. Yes, everywhere we see different some small plants, some medium plants, some bigger plants, okay. So we are going to study about them, okay. So plants can be grouped between in three group. Plants can be categorized into three groups depending upon their size, okay. Like the bigger plant, the plant which are bigger in size or taller in size, they are called trees. The plant which are medium in size, they are called shrub, and the plant which are very small, they are called herb, okay. So these herb are very soft. Their इनकी जो स्टेम होती है, ओके, इनकी स्टेम जो होती है, दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट, ओके, दे आर वेरी डेलिकेट, they are green in color, okay. Okay, yes, so these are the some properties of these herbs, okay. Yes, and they are very small, okay, in size, okay. Yes, so and they do not have branches, okay. They do not have branches, okay. They do not have branches. Sometimes very few times, okay, they have branches, okay. Yes, so what are the examples of herb? The examples of herbs are mustard. Examples of herb are the sunflower. The example of herbs are wheat, then rice, that is paddy, okay. So you see they do not have they are very soft and delicate, they are very small, okay, and they do not have much branches, okay. Yes, then next is a shrub. So shrub are medium sized plant, okay. Okay, so they are their stem are little hard. Their stem are hard. It is woody. उसमें wood होता है, okay. Yes, and इसकी जो branches होती हैं ये ground से ही grow करना शुरू कर देती हैं, या ground से कुछ ऊपर से इनकी branches जो होती है grow करना start कर देती हैं, okay. Yes, so their examples are like rose plant, okay, rose plant, then mehendi, henna plant, okay. All these things are like a lemon plant, okay. Yes, so all these things are the shrub, okay. Yes, then next is the trees. So the tall and bigger plants are called trees, okay. They have a very thick trunk, okay. This is called trunk, okay, or stem. So this is very thick, that is why it is called trunk, 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 okay. Yes, and their leaves and branches are above the ground, okay. They are far above the ground, okay. जो ग्राउंड है उससे काफ़ी ऊंचाई पे इनकी जो लीव्स और जो ब्रांचेस हैं ये ज़मीन से काफ़ी ऊंचाई पे होती हैं, ओके. यस, सो व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स लाइक मैंगो ट्री, like neem tree, then banyan tree, then peepal tree, okay. So all are these are the tree example of trees, okay. Yes, the next is okay, so you can see here these are the how very small soft delicate green, these are shrub, okay, little medium sized plant, okay. Yes, then these are the tree which are very thick trunk, very tall and big, okay. Yes, then except these three, okay, ये तीनों को छोड़ के एक और तरह का प्लांट होता है, एक होता है क्रीपर और एक होता है क्लाइंबर, ओके. क्रीपर and climber, okay. So there are very few plants, there are some plants whose stem are very weak and okay, they grow on the ground, okay, they spread their stem on the ground, okay. Yes, so you see some type there are some type of grasses which grow on the ground, okay, like this, okay. Yes, so they are called creeper, okay, creeper, creeper, okay. Then again there are some very soft and delicate, okay, whose stem are very weak, जिनकी जो stem होती है इतनी weak होती है कि वो खुद से खड़े नहीं हो सकते, ओके। यस, सो वो क्या करते हैं, किसी दूसरे चीज़ का सपोर्ट लेके, ये जो प्लांट है किसी दूसरे चीज़ का सपोर्ट लेके वो उसके ऊपर ग्रो करती हैं, ओके। यस, लाइक you see all vegetables like this cucumber, then watermelon, okay, like this okay, then gourd, okay, then this grapes, okay, all these things are this climber, okay. Yes, they climb on some support, okay. Yes, then next is parts of the plant, okay. So if you observe the plant, okay, if you observe any plant, if you observe any herb plant, if you observe any this shrub or any uh, tree or any climber or creeper, so you will see that there are two things, okay. One thing which is below the ground, one, this is the ground, okay. So one thing which is below the ground, okay, and one thing which is above the ground, okay. Yes, so the thing which is below the ground, okay, so the part of the plant which are below the ground, okay, those are called root system. Root system, and the part which are above the ground, those are called shoot system, okay. Yes, so these roots are in yellow or creamish color, okay. Yes, then we have the shoot, okay. So then in a shoot, the upper part of the plant is called a shoot system, okay. In that shoot we have leaves, we have branches, then we have a flower, we have fruits, and then we have a seed, okay. Yes, so in that in the stem, okay, in the stem part, the leaves arise at a particular point. जो leaves होती हैं कुछ खास जगहों से arise होती हैं, एक खास जगहों से उगती हैं, okay. So those places are called nodes. These places are called nodes. These places are called nodes, okay. And the place between these nodes, ये दो nodes के बीच का जो place है, those are called internodes. These are called internodes, okay. Yes, then we have these roots, then leaves and the branches. These are called vegetative parts, and this flower, fruit and seeds, these are called the reproductive parts. Reproductive parts, okay. Yes, then we have a type of roots, the root system, okay. Yes, so in a root system we have two type of roots, okay. One is tap root and one is the fibrous root, okay. So tap root is found in dicot seed, and the fibrous root is found in monocot seed, okay. Now the thing is, what do you mean by dicot and what do you mean by monocot, okay. So whenever you take a seed, okay, जब आप एक seed लेके उसको टीयर उसको देखते हैं, ओके, उसके अंदर के पार्ट्स को देखते हैं सीड के, जब सीड में एक ही पार्ट होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं मोनिकॉटलीडॉन, मोनोकॉट, ओके. यस, अब जब सीड में दो पार्ट होते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं डाइकॉट, ओके. यस, सो जस्ट टेक द एग्जांपल लाइक मैंगो. अगर आप मैंगो का सीड को देखेंगे सो उसमें देखेंगे उसमें दो पार्ट होता है, ओके. यस, सो वो हो गया डाइकॉट, ओके. बट एक राइस के सीड को देखिए और वीट को सीड को देखिए, इसमें एक ही पार्ट होता है, इसको बोलते हैं मोनोकॉट, ओके. सो इसीलिए जो मोनोकॉट होते हैं उसमें फाइब्रस रूट होता है, ये दिस इज द फाइब्रस रूट, जिसमें एक क्लस्टर ऑफ रूट्स जो कि स्टेम से ग्रो करने लगती हैं नीचे, ओके. यस, और tap root में what happens that there is one main root, okay, there is one main root and then it has some branches, okay. These branches are called lateral roots, okay. Yes, and one thing more, when the plant grow, it grow both, okay, it grow both side. ये ऊपर के साइड में भी बढ़ता है और ये नीचे की साइड में भी बढ़ता है, मतलब कि नीचे की साइड में रूट बढ़ने लगती है और ऊपर के साइड में स्टेम बढ़ने लगती है, ओके. यस, so yes, so we have a taproot in which there is a one main root and then it has branches, those are called a lateral root, and then we have a fibrous root, it is a cluster of roots, okay, which arise from the stem, okay. Yes, so this taproot is found in dicot like mango, like neem, like mustard, okay. Yes, then this fibrous root is found in wheat, then rice, then maize, then sugarcane, then banana, okay. Yes, so all in these plants it is found fibrous root, okay. Yes, now what is the function of root system, okay. Root system, what is its function, कि इसका क्या काम होता है, okay. Yes, so its function are to absorb water, okay, and transport mineral from the soil, okay. तो जो भी सॉइल में मिनरल्स और वाटर होते हैं दे एब्जॉर्ब इट, ओके, एंड दे सेंड इट टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट, ओके. अगर यहाँ पे बिगर प्लांट है, ओके, सो ये यहाँ से एब्जॉर्ब करके ये बाकी पार्ट्स को ये सेंड कर देते हैं वाटर और minerals, okay. Yes, then root also help to support the plant, okay. Yes, they keep this they help the plant to stand, okay. Yes, then root anchor a plant to the ground, okay. So what do you mean by anchor? So just like जो जहाज को रोकने के लिए एक एंकर होता है ऐसे, ओके. यस, वैसे ही तो ये एंकर का क्या काम होता है, वो जहाज को एक जगह पे रोके रखता है, ओके. यस, सो उसी तरह जो ये रूट होता है, ये जो रूट होता है ये प्लांट को एक जगह पे बनाए रखता है, ओके, होल्ड करके रखता है. इट होल्ड द प्लांट एट अ प्लेस, okay, with the soil, okay. Yes, the next is root store food, okay, just like the carrot, just like the beetroot, just like the carrot, okay. So they store the food. Sometimes some roots they store the food, okay, and they absorb water and dissolve nutrients from the soil, okay. So they absorb water and nutrients and they send it to their leaves and the stem, okay. Yes, so that's all for today. If you have any doubts, please ask us. Thank you so much. Keep studying. Bye bye.